Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Boditech ichroma Cortisol test kit. You can see this here. It says ichroma Cortisol. This is used in the ichroma Boditech FIA analyzers. Intended use: ichroma Cortisol is a fluorescent immunoassay FIA for the quantitative determination of cortisol in human whole blood, serum and plasma. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of the concentration of cortisol. You can see the box contains typically 25 cartridges, 25 detector tube, 1 detector diluent, 1 ID chip and 1 instruction for use manual. And this is a CE IVD certified product. You can see it's a 25 kit pack and can be stored in a room temperature. You can see the reference part number. You can see the lot number and the expiry date. So this is how the box looks like. You can see it's manufactured in Boditech from Republic of Korea. This is how the box looks like. Let me open this box for you. Inside this 25 test kit pack, you get one IFE brochure. You can see this here. Ichroma Cortisol. This has the complete from introduction, principle, the key components, the limitation of the test, and how to collect your samples, and how to complete your test procedures, how to set up your test, and also how to interpret your results. So everything related to conducting a test is available in this IFE brochure. And then you get 25 pieces of ichroma cortisol detector tube. You can see this, the lot number and the expiry date is here. And let me keep this. This is how it looks like at the other side. You can see this here. And inside there is one cortisol detector diluent. You can see. Diluent liquid is here. You can see this here. The lot number. Yeah, diluent is here, and then 25 cartridges are here. I'll just take 2 from here. Ichroma Cortisol lot numbers. You can see this here. There is one ID chip, cortisol. You can see this lot number. The same lot number is. You can see the lot number here. The same lot number is mentioned across the detector tube and all these components. Okay. Quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of Boditech ichroma Cortisol test kit. This is a 25 test kit pack, and if you look at the key contents, just quickly summarize it. The key contents are one IFE brochure and 25 detector tubes and 1 detector diluent, one bottle, and 25 cartridges and 1 ID chip. This is how the total test kit looks like. Okay, thank you.